Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, how to run DeepSeek R1 locally on your PC. If you've been curious about AI models and want to experiment with one of the most powerful tools out there, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have DeepSeek R1 up and running on your machine. Let's get started. First things first, what is DeepSeek R1? DeepSeek R1 is a cutting-edge AI model designed for natural language processing, code generation, and even creative tasks like writing and brainstorming. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for research, development, or just having fun with AI. Running it locally means you can use it offline, customize it, and even tweak its behavior to suit your needs. Now, let's walk through the installation process step by step. Don't worry, I'll link all the necessary tools in the description below to make this as easy as possible. First things first, install Ollama. Ollama is a tool designed to simplify the process of running large language models locally on your machine. It provides an easy-to-use interface and handles the complexities of setting up and managing LLMs, making it accessible for developers, researchers, and AI enthusiasts who want to experiment with or deploy AI models without dealing with the technical overhead. When the download is complete, start the installation. The installation is now complete and Ollama is now running. Next, you'll need to download the DeepSeek R1 model weights. Just click on Models and go on DeepSeek R1 and select the one you want. You can run models with parameters ranging from 1.5, 7, 8, 14, 32, 70, and even 671, with hardware requirements increasing as the model size grows. For this demonstration, I'll be using a 1.5 model, which is a lightweight, distilled version of DeepSeek R1 based on Quen, designed for low-end computers. It requires only 1.1 gigabytes of memory, making it highly efficient. However, this is just for installation and setup purposes. If you're looking for better performance, I recommend using a 7 or larger model. As you can see, 7 requires about 4.7 gigabytes, and 671 requires about 404 gigabytes of memory. You should type the following command to download the DeepSeek R1 model. This command will install the 1.5 model. So copy and open a command line and run the command. And just like that, you're interacting with DeepSeek R1 locally. It's that simple. Just ask it any question you want from this command line. If you close the command line and you want to chat with DeepSeek, just run the command again. And this time, there will be no installation, but it will give you a prompt where you can start typing. But typing from the just command line is not cool. We need a GUI interface. You can pair Ollama with OpenWebUI. OpenWebUI is an open-source, self-hosted web interface for interacting with local AI models like Ollama, Mistral, and DeepSeek. It provides a user-friendly chat UI similar to ChatGPT that lets you communicate with AI models running on your local machine. Before we install Open Web UI, we need to install Docker, go to the official website, and download and then install Docker for desktop. Log out and then log back in to complete the installation. You can log in if you already have an account, or you can create one. If you want, you can skip this process, but you also need to enable WSL in your Windows features. If you're using Docker Desktop on Windows, enabling WSL2, Windows Subsystem for Linux, is highly recommended for better performance, compatibility, and lower resource usage. So make sure Virtual Machine Platform is enabled and Windows Subsystem for Linux. These are already enabled on my system, but if they were not enabled on your system, it will start installing and then ask you to reboot the machine. You can check if WSL is installed by running this command. Also check if virtualization is enabled. Virtualization must be enabled in your BIOS for Docker Desktop to work properly on Windows. If your PC supports WSL2, Docker can run without Hyper-V, but virtualization is still required. Just minimize Docker for now. One last step. Let us now install Open Web UI. As you can see, it says, if Olama is on your computer, use this command. So just copy the command and run it in the terminal. The downloads are now complete. Automatically, a container is created in Docker. Just click the link where it says port 3000 to open Web UI. Create an admin account and log in. We are now done. This is your GUI interface. You can now start chatting with DeepSeek. As you can see on your top left corner, it says DeepSeek 1.5. You can install other models on the same computer, and you can switch to the other. You can also make one as the default. Also, check the URL. It says localhost, which means it is running locally on your computer. No need for the internet. And that's it. You've successfully set up DeepSeek R1 on your PC. Whether you're using it for research, coding, or just having fun, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.